YouTube educated me on how to create a faceless channel, and video production and editing, graphic design, and content management systems, CMS. How YouTube transformed me from a beginner to an experienced YouTuber. When I first started my YouTube journey about 2 years ago with my channel Amazing Animal Facts, I knew little about video creation, editing, or how the platform worked. Over time, YouTube became my greatest teacher, helping me grow from a complete beginner to an experienced content creator for my faceless channel. Through trial and error, I mastered video production, editing, SEO optimization, and audience engagement. I learned to use tools like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and DaVinci Resolve to create high-quality videos. I discovered the power of thumbnails, keyword research, and analytics to grow my channel.
Hi, welcome today to Amazing Animal Facts. We're going to talk about 3 reasons why elephants are amazingly intelligent animals. Did you know elephants are some of the smartest creatures on Earth? From their emotional depth and problem solving, elephants over time
that boost views for my channel's Amazing Animal Facts.
Hey everyone,
let's talk about YouTube analytics and improve audience retention. The value of consistency, engagement, and content planning. Looking back, YouTube has been an incredible journey of learning, creativity, and growth. YouTube educated me in how to create a faceless channel, from figuring out the best export settings to engaging with an audience. Every challenge has shaped me into the YouTuber I am today. If you're just starting out, keep learning, experimenting, and improving, because YouTube can teach you more than you ever imagined.
The video begins with
Subscribe
soft
for more
music playing in the
insights, tips,
background,
and content
enhancing the
creation
serene
strategies.
atmosphere. As the camera gently zooms in, viewers see the dog's chest slowly rise and fall with each peaceful breath. It occasionally